Hi, mermaid friends. I'm Houston. And I'm Mia. We're going to play a game about animal names today. We're going to show you an animal that lives in the sea or the ocean. Then you have to tell us what it's called in English and in Spanish. Are you ready? Let's go! What's this animal called? That's right! It's a fish! Now how do you say it in Spanish? Pez! Great job! What's this animal called? That's a dolphin! Now how do you say it in Spanish? Delfín! What's this animal called? That's an octopus! Now how do you say it in Spanish? Pulpo! What's this animal called? That's a crab! Now how do you say it in Spanish? Cangrejo! What's this animal called? That's a jellyfish! Now how do you say it in Spanish? Medusa! What's this animal called? That's a shark! Now how do you say it in Spanish? Tiburón! What's this animal called? That's right! A starfish! Now how do you say it in Spanish? Estrella de mar! What's this animal called? That one's a turtle! Now how do you say it in Spanish? Tortuga! What's this animal called? It's a shrimp! Now how do you say it in Spanish? Camarón! Wow, you're doing great! There's only a couple more left. You've got this! What's this animal called? That's a stingray. Now how do you say it in Spanish? Mantarraya. What's this animal called? That's right! It's an eel! Now how do you say it in Spanish? Anguila! It was so much fun learning Spanish with you today. Which animal was your favorite? Mine was the dolphin. We'll have another fun video up next week. So don't forget to visit us again soon for more fun games.